Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I will tell you about the mic problem in your device Xiaomi 12s Ultra. So if in this device, if you are having any problem related to the mic, like your mic is not working on the calls or not working for the recordings, you can easily fix it by few easy steps as I will show you in this video tutorial. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the video and you will learn how you can fix the mic issue in your device. Let's watch it.